Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put up brick paneling. First, gather your essential tools, including a level, tape measure, and a suitable saw for cutting panels. Next, ensure your wall surface is perfectly clean, dry, and structurally sound for optimal adhesion. Accurately measure the entire area to determine the exact number of panels you will need. Finally, plan your installation layout carefully, perhaps starting from a corner or a central feature for the best visual outcome. This preparation is key for a successful project. Now, let's move to the installation. Apply a strong construction adhesive evenly to the entire back of your first brick panel. Carefully press the panel firmly onto the wall, ensuring full contact across its surface. Use a level to meticulously check the alignment of each piece as you install it, preventing any crooked lines. Remember to maintain consistent spacing, typically 1/8 to 1/4 inch, between panels for a natural and professional appearance. This step requires precision. Next, you will likely need to make some cuts. Use a suitable saw to precisely cut panels to fit around electrical outlets or at the edges of your wall. For minor adjustments or trimming smaller pieces, a sharp utility knife works well. Once all panels are in place, apply caulk or grout between them to create a seamless and authentic brick appearance. Remember to clean any excess adhesive immediately with a damp cloth for a professional and tidy finish. This attention to detail makes a difference. Finally, let's talk about maintenance. Allow the adhesive to cure completely, which typically takes about 24 hours before any heavy handling. Clean your brick panels regularly with a soft cloth and a mild, non-abrasive cleaner to keep them looking their best. Periodically inspect for any loose areas and resecure them promptly with additional adhesive to maintain integrity. With proper care, you can enjoy the durable and aesthetic appeal of your beautiful new brick wall for many years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.